Front kick. When performing this kick, the practitioner needs to raise the knee to the position of the waist, while pulling the toes behind and quickly extending the foot to the target. This move requires agility. Pillar legs must be strong. Be sure to use your heels as you rotate back to target from the midfield. Once you've kicked past your opponent, remember to readjust your foot. Make sure you don't extend your kicking leg too far from your shoulder or center line. You can lose power and impact to shoot past the target. Similarly, if you stretch your legs too close to your opponent, you won't be able to generate enough velocity. Once you've done the kick, you can lower your kicking foot forward or back while remaining in a fighting position. Block front kick. To block the front kick, your hands must first be in a defensive position, with both arms folded and nearly perpendicular to the floor. The hand supporting the kick must have strong force, knocking the kick strongly and decisively. From the prepared position, you put your right hand in the opposite direction of the kick, 10 to 15 centimeters, open the hand to block the kick, and use the right foot to push the center of gravity on the left foot. In addition, do not turn around to avoid the kick, do not raise your head and do not close your eyes when performing the block. Punch in the face. When throwing a punch, your non-dominant hand pulls to the defense, your body rotates in the direction of the punch, your body weight is on your front foot to optimize punching power, your arm is straight towards the opponent, stretched just enough to hit the opponent. When done, quickly retract your hand to defend. To strike quickly and accurately, the movement of the legs and body is the key point. Speed is the key. Scientifically speaking, the power of an attack can be measured by the kinetic energy transferred through it, and it is speed that plays a major role in creating optimal kinetic energy. Block punch in the face. This is a simple but solid defense technique, using hand and shoulder movements. You should be in a defensive position, arms bent and roughly perpendicular to the floor. The clenched hand is raised to the height of the opponent's punch. The supporting hand must be the hand in the same direction as the opponent's punch. Use your hands to support straight punches, shocks, and hooks. The blocking distance must be correct, too close will not block the punch, if too far will not prevent the next punch. Mid-range hook punch. To get a strong punch you have to move your whole body to get maximum force behind that punch. Make sure your back leg rotates in a tiptoe position. Rotate both your body and your hips so that your face and body reduce the area in your opponent's field of vision. Your hips and hind foot are the organs that transmit power to your right leg. When throwing a punch, your non-dominant hand pulls to the defense, your body rotates in the direction of the punch, your body weight is on your front foot to optimize punching power, your arm is straight towards the opponent, stretched just enough to hit the opponent. When done, quickly retract your hand to defend.